In today's video, we'll show you how to see your block list users on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Managing your digital boundaries is essential to today's connected world. One way to do that is with Snapchat blocking feature, where you are dealing with harassment, unwanted attention, or simply want to curate your social circle. Knowing how to block and unblock contact is a fundamental skill. On my previous video, I've shown you how to block someone on Snapchat, but what if you want to find it? The block list. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just go to your setting on the upper right corner. Now you can just scroll down until you find there is an option blocked users. You can just select on that. So here's all the users that you just blocked from your Snapchat account. It's very simple, right? Here's all the list, and if you want to unblock them, one of them you can just select on the X icon in here, and you can just select on yes, and now that user has been removed from your block list. It's very simple, right? So that is how to find block list on Snapchat. Thank you and see you.